Hello and welcome to
Butler-HQ.
And today we are working on the sub £1,000 7 Series, and what's been messing with my OCD is the orange rear lights. So we're going to swap them out, we're going to show you how we do it. It should be pretty much the same as an E34, I hope. Now first, you're going to open up your toolbox and find your 10mm. Go down to here, open it up, disconnect. That's it, unconnect that. Crack that one open, crack that one open, crack this one open, and I crack this one open enough, it seems. Now, for everybody who likes E34 stuff, don't worry, there'll still be plenty of E34 stuff mixed in. And if you just like all our stuff and you just subscribe for some reason because you like to listen to some black country accent and me and Dad prancing about on camera, then you'll be more than welcome. There'll be more content for you. And if you're here for purely for the sevens, hello and welcome.
Yeah, welcome.
And that is one lens out. You need to pull this down, pull that down. It's a bit more of a tighter squeeze. So I'm going to remove as little as possible to do what I'm doing. Possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it keyhole surgery, because I'm used to E34 aged BMWs and electrical stuff. Just bother me a bit. Let's see one, another one. That's the other one. The one. There's a sort of a clip. That's it. Like so, and that's the other one. I'm going to get the new lights and we'll fit them. And now we've got our new clear lights. Make sure the lights work.
Yes.
Fog lights work. Normal lights work.
Battery indicators. Yeah.
Don't work.
Sorted.
Well, one work. This one don't work.
So that's a bulb tonight. Yeah. Yeah. So we need a orange bulb. Got in the spare stash, shall we?
We have, yeah. The bulb has been changed. The moment of truth now. Yeah, you've got.
So it was a bulb, but perfect.
We've got working hazards now.
Waffle.
So it shows, but sometimes the bulb can look good even when it's not. And you gotta admit, that does look better.
It does. A lot better.
It does. So that is how you fit clear facelift, is it?
Yeah.
Facelift clear E38 7 Series rear lights. If you did like this content, please like, subscribe and comment. We do more E34 stuff than E38, but this is our long-term project. So we will be doing 7 Series stuff, we'll be doing 5 Series stuff, occasionally 3 Series stuff as well. We are a bag of tricks here, but the channel is based around the E34. So I'd like to say thank you for watching. I hope we did help you, and until next time,
Bye bye.
so what do you think of these lights and pop?
Boston.